Hey everyone, maybe you saw weeks ago our review on the Froli bed system, the sleep system that looks like this. They also have a headrest. So if you have a classic, you know the headrest, so the mattress pops up at the front. If you don't have a classic, none of your mattresses do that. But they have a system, a little headrest thing that can pop up and it's adjustable. So I was going to show you that right now. The Froli bed system that I just showed you is what I removed from underneath my mattress here. So I removed this top piece here. And if you're wondering, this thing does fit in a twin mattress. Now, it can't go against the wall over there all the way. And it will fit under here, under a twin mattress with your Froli sleep system. You just have to take out the headboard part and put it up there. Let me show you real quick how this thing works. So the little alligator clip back there, back in there, the silver part. So it clicks, and that's about halfway. And it just raises it up and stays there. To get it all the way back down, you pull it all the way up, and then it will release, and you can set it all the way back down. And it has a little slope to the head there. For any of you who are a back sleeper, or you have problems with breathing or snoring, or you need a CPAP machine, but particularly anyone a back sleeper, if you're a back sleeper, this thing would be fantastic to just give you a little head raise. Or if you like to lay in bed and watch TV, I have to give you a head raise for that too. I think this is a really great option for someone who likes to have their head raised. I'm going to try it out and follow up and let you know what I think about it. Just a quick follow up on the Froli headrest system. So I used it for about a week and I enjoyed it. I'm not so much a back sleeper, so I like to turn over sometime in the middle of the night and go to sleep on my stomach. I start on my side, and it's fine for a side or a back sleeper. But adjusting it in the night can be problematic because you really need to get out of the bed completely and move the headboard, move the mattress around to kind of adjust it to where you like it. But if you're someone who likes that pretty constant head adjustment there, or you know that you just want to lay down and watch TV or lay down and read a book and have it adjusted to one spot and then lay it flat before you go to sleep, those things are fine. And if I were going to permanently install it, I would most likely double side tape it down to the actual bed frame, if you will, the platform built there for the mattress, or screw it down so it stays there permanent. Similarly, our Froli sleep system, I've gone back and I put some double-sided tape on there so it doesn't slide around. Now, it doesn't slide around during transit. It doesn't slide around when I sleep. But if I go to move the mattress and making the bed and so forth, it does slide around a bit. So we put some 3M double-sided sticky tape in a few spots in there just to keep it still. So I love the company. I still love the company. I would 100% buy these things again, except for the headboard piece. I love the mattress sleep system itself, but the headboard piece is just not for me. But if you're someone out there who likes that kind of thing, I think it's a wonderful addition to your twin mattress setup. Our discount code to get 15% off your entire order is still good. You can see that down in the video description down below. And there's a link to the website there for you to get find out all the things they have. So thank you to everyone who tuned in. Thank you to all the ones who ordered this system for yourself, because I think it's a really cool upgrade. And I appreciate the company for sending this out to me to check it out. Now, special announcement. If you're someone who's interested in this headboard and you have a twin mattress and you think it's something that would be good for you, you can win this. I'm going to mail it to you. It's just one setup. I don't have one for both beds, but the one setup, you can win that. To win, all you have to do is go to our website, 13adventures.com, spelled out, click on the Contact Us link at the top, and put in Froli Headrest winner, or Froli Headrest giveaway, or Froli Headrest contest, or some combination of that. I don't know what you mean. This video comes out on a Wednesday morning at 8. I will give away this Froli Headrest 72 hours after this video releases. So Saturday morning at 8, I will make an announcement of the winner of the Froli Headrest system. So good luck to everybody, and see you guys soon. Bye. Good morning. I'm coming to you after having slept with the Froli bed headrest, or bed rest. Good Good morning. I'm coming to you to follow up on the Froli headrest.